Hey everyone, if you want to optimize your Behance portfolio for jobs in 2026, like getting hired by companies, agencies, or freelance clients, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to make it job ready. First, open Behance and choose a clear niche, like UI design, branding, motion design, or illustration. Don't try to do everything at once. Next, upload only your best 5 to 8 projects. Quality is more important than quantity. Now convert your projects into case studies. Show the problem, your process, and the final result to make it more professional. After that, write strong and clear project titles using job-focused keywords. This helps recruiters understand your work quickly. Next, add detailed descriptions explaining tools used and problems solved. This gives your work more depth. Now, optimize your tags with relevant keywords like UI design, UX, Figma, Photoshop, or branding. This improves discoverability. After that, improve your profile with a professional photo, clean bio, and consistent branding. This makes you look more credible. Finally, add your contact information, resume, or LinkedIn profile. Recruiters need an easy way to reach you. So yeah, that's how you optimize your Behance portfolio for jobs in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can increase your chances of getting hired or landing freelance opportunities. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design career tutorials for beginners. Hey everyone.